Good morning and welcome. It's Jilly Cube here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Coming to you with a split composition pour. Trying to something a little bit different with the composition, and it's on a square 50 by 50 canvas. And I'm starting off just with the black and the white. And I will allow my colour just a little bit differently this time, so hope you enjoy. It's layering those gorgeous, nice and bright colours in the orange and yellow. Having trouble with my purple here, having to get the goop out of the squirty bit, but come across those difficulties, hey. So we finally got that purple out of the container, and now this is some really nice bright red, which is a cool red, so it's going to add a little bit of a pop in there. So I'm hoping what I've got in mind for this turns out, but I'm pretty sure that you try things, and if they work, they work, and they don't. You just push on and try and make something of it. Giving it a whiz over with my heat wand to burst the air bubbles, and next I will get my little magical dryer and push some paint around. I'm kind of trying to slow myself down here to think about how and what direction I should be blowing the paint, but I will concede it kind of gets away from me and I go a bit AWOL. I've kind of got in my head which way I would like it to go, but it never seems that way. So this one, yeah, I do go into the chaos craziness here, trying to get something out of this piece, but it was certainly enjoyable doing every part of it. It may be at this stage be very much beneficial for me to have had this canvas on a turntable, to be turning it as I wished. But as you can see, I'm looking back on it now and thinking, oh my goodness, that was gorgeous, but I just kept pushing on with it, and as I said, it got away with me a bit, but I'm still happy with it, but I certainly could have done better. But look at those colours though. It kind of ends up being very galactic, and at the time that I was actually doing it, for whatever reason, I was feeling quite emotional as it was actually pushing, I almost felt the push to, keep pushing on with this, push on with it. So, yeah, I kind of seen quite a few ghosties, I think, in this one. It was yeah, galactical ghosty looking, but I certainly yeah, try this method again. But for whatever reason, I did feel I needed to push on, creating that bit of negative space through there like I did, and hopefully you'll see why. I did kind of lose a lot of the colour, as you've seen. Then I added a bit of extra colour. Certainly, you know, I could have stopped far sooner than what I did. But like I said, something was just pushing me on. And I kind of felt this might mean something to somebody else that's watching this piece now. Felt that I don't know, looking at it now, even felt that somebody watching that feeling as though they're being dragged into the big dark hole, but there is so much love and light on the outside. So there is a meaning to this piece, and I think there is somebody out there that this is meant to mean a lot to. Yeah, I know that sounds deep, but that's how I'm really feeling about this piece. For whatever reason, it's made me really emotional. I have no idea why. Maybe there might be somebody out there that knows more about these things than I do, but this is deeply emotional for me. Super happy with this one. It certainly was, with dancing with paints. Definitely a chaos blow, and just dancing, just pushing the paints around, being a bully on canvas, pushing the paints around, using a hairdryer as your paintbrush to get the paint to create effects that you want. So enjoyable. It's definitely art therapy. And I love this one. It's got a really deep and meaningful effect on me. So, and that's it. Some paintings can have that and some don't. Have different effects. Emotional or angry or sad or happy. This one has something deep within it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. It'd be interesting what you guys see in this or feel about this. Alright, my lovelies, please take care. Don't forget, if you're feeling sad, lonely, or needing a chat, ring a family member or a friend, or definitely a helpline there to help you. So yeah, love to know what you feel about this one. Okay, bye for now.